Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best GBA Light is probably one of the most exciting handheld gaming upgrades you can make, especially if you're a retro gaming enthusiast. The original Game Boy Advance's screen was notoriously dim, making it difficult to play in anything less than direct sunlight. But with a GBA Light, you can experience your favorite games with enhanced brightness and clarity, bringing a whole new level of enjoyment to your gaming sessions, anytime, anywhere. Number 5. eXtremeRate White GBA Replacement Shell and Black Screen Lens. This is an upgraded replacement shell for your Game Boy Advance. It comes with a full set of buttons and a sleek black screen lens. It's designed for a smoother installation process. This shell is friendly for IPS screen installation. You might need to make a small modification during the process. Please note that the IPS screen itself is not included. Don't worry if you have a standard LCD, it fits perfectly. This shell is entirely backwards compatible, offering flexibility for your console. Want to make it even more unique? This shell is fully compatible with our premium replacement buttons, sold separately. Customize it to your heart's content. Installation requires taking apart your console. If you're handy with console installations, you're good to go. Find the video guide on YouTube by searching for eXtremeRate Upgraded Shell for GBA. What we like. This shell is designed to be compatible with IPS screens, allowing you to upgrade your GBA's display. It offers a personalized look with its full button set. If you are looking to revitalize your old GBA with a modern screen and a fresh look, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The light is bright and evenly distributed. The installation was easy. The screen is now easily visible in all lighting conditions. Number 4. Nintendo Switch Lite, Blue. Introducing the Nintendo Switch Lite in a vibrant blue. It's designed for gamers on the go, offering a compact and lightweight experience. This handheld system is perfect for gaming anytime, anywhere. Its design makes it easy to carry around. The Switch Lite comes in a range of exciting colors, allowing you to express your style. Choose the one that suits you best. Connect with friends and family online or locally for multiplayer fun. Enjoy gaming together, no matter where you are. Experience the world of Mario and his friends on the Nintendo Switch Lite. It's your gateway to endless adventures and fun. What we like. The Switch Lite is a compact and lightweight handheld console, perfect for gaming on the go. Available in a range of fun colors, it allows you to express your style. If you are a fan of portable gaming and want a device that's easy to carry and play with friends, you should consider this. What people say. Perfect present for my son and works great. I love that the Lite is slightly smaller without giving up quality, and it feels so much sturdier than the original since it's all one piece. It was easy to set up and use. Number 3. Lumin GBA Luminous Green Edition Replacement Shell Kit. Introducing the Luminous Green Edition GBA shell. It has a unique luminous design that makes it stand out in the dark. This subtle glow adds a touch of style to your device. This kit includes a Game Boy Advance luminous shell, screwdrivers, buttons, and a sticky label. It has everything you need to refresh your device. Please note that it does not include conductive rubber buttons or select start buttons. Is your Game Boy Advance shell damaged? This replacement kit is designed to replace your old shell. It gives your device a fresh and new appearance. Professional skills are required for installation. The retail package and installation instructions are not included. Please make sure you know how to install it before you start. Tired of scratches and wear? This shell, combined with the included accessories, makes your Game Boy Advance look new and special. It's a great way to revitalize your device. What we like. This luminous green shell makes your GBA stand out in the dark. The complete replacement kit includes everything you need to give your console a fresh look. If you like unique and eye-catching designs and want to make your GBA look new, you should consider this. What people say. The light is bright and evenly distributed. The screen is clear and easy to see. The installation was easy. Number 2. Worm Light for GBC GBA GBP console. This is a worm light designed for GBC, GBA, and GBP consoles. It provides flexible illumination for your gaming experience. Make sure this is what you need before you buy it. This worm light is compatible with GBC and GBP models. Please check your console model to ensure it fits. It is a great accessory to enhance your gaming. Please compare the picture and the description carefully. This will help you to confirm this is the right product for you. It's important to make sure it meets your needs. The package includes one worm light. The packing is not included. It is a simple and effective solution for better visibility while gaming. The color of the worm light is random. You will receive a randomly selected color. It is a small but useful item for your console. What we like. This worm light provides flexible LED illumination for your GBC, GBA, and GBP consoles. It's easy to use and helps you play in the dark. If you are looking for a simple and effective way to play your favorite games in low light conditions, this is perfect for you. What people say. The light is bright and evenly distributed. The installation was easy and the light is a great addition to the GBA. The light is bright and the screen looks great. Number 1. Gametown GBA Mini LED Night Lamp. This is a brand new, high-quality night lamp designed specifically for the Game Boy Advance console. It's perfect for enhancing your gaming experience in low-light environments or during travel. This lamp is tailor-made to fit your Game Boy Advance. It provides the perfect illumination for those late-night gaming sessions, ensuring you can see every detail on the screen. Each package includes one worm lamp. The color of the lamp is randomly selected, adding a fun surprise to your purchase. The lamp comes in exquisite transparent packaging, making it an ideal gift for family or friends who love retro gaming. It's a thoughtful present that enhances their gaming experience. Whether you're playing in a dimly lit room or on the go, this lamp is your perfect companion. It ensures you can enjoy your favorite games anytime, anywhere. What we like. This mini LED night lamp is specifically designed for the Game Boy Advance. It comes with exquisite transparent packaging, making it a great gift. If you are looking for a convenient light source for gaming on the go or as a gift, it's a great choice. What people say. The light is bright and evenly distributed. The screen is easy to see in the dark. The installation was easy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.